A
Good
very
evening.
good evening. I hope you guys are doing good and things are okay at your end. I would request you to start with your videos. Great. I can see some lovely faces across the screen, a digital hi, and I hope आप लोग ठीक हैं. And welcome to Forever Star India. आज आपका audition process है. This begins your journey of fulfilling your dream of becoming a model and achieving everything that you wished for through this entire process of becoming a model for that matter. So again, welcome to Forever Star India. I hope you guys are doing good. And today we are going to execute your audition into 2 steps. So पहला step होगा आपका introduction where I will be interacting. Keep it very crisp, short, and include primarily some details about yourself. दूसरी चीज आपकी hobbies, and last, why are you here today? Why do you want to win the crown? And we will be concluding by kickstarting your journey of becoming a model by seeing 2 rounds of your ramp walk. And now, of course, about the platform. Forever Star India is not just a beauty pageant. हमारा जरिया ब्यूटी पैजेंट है आप लोगों से जुड़ने का, बट द एम इज टू बिल्ड अ कम्युनिटी ऑफ women who are really talented and passionate about their goals in life, and of course want to achieve and create a very significant mark for themselves. So to kickstart the process, and we have a very special guest here with us today, Ashvi Soni, जो कि आप ही की तरह audition दे चुकी हैं. She's an FCR participant now. She has had her journey and she's a city finalist who represents her city very proudly. And the team takes immense pride in introducing her as a mentor today. So अपना journey fulfill करके वो यहाँ तक पहुंची है. And I'm sure आप लोगों के लिए who better than a person जो आप ही के process के through जा चुका है, जो आपको बता सके कि उनकी journey कैसी थी. Hi Ashvi, welcome on board. How are you?
Hello. First of all, thank you so much for this introduction. And I'm pretty well. How are you?
I am good, and over to you. You can take over.
Yeah, thank you very much. Hello, a very good evening to all the beautiful ladies who are present over here. I am Ashvi Soni, and I'm an aspirant participant of FSIA. I know you're a little bit nervous and butterflies in your stomach, and just so much of excitement is also there, right? But don't worry, you are on the right page of your journey, and I can say that you will be civilized here by FSIA. Now, I would like to talk about my journey. I can say that I have many inhibitions in my life before joining this pageant. I can say that many self-doubts whether I will do it. It's is it my cup of tea or not? It's a totally different genre. But after joining this pageant, I realized that I'm pretty confident. I have potential. I find my values, my where I am good, where is what at which extent I can do something good. So I can say that. And I have never done introspection about myself, that what are the challenges that can I face ever in my life? What is the potential? Again, I would say. And after this, I'm able to introspect myself. I know what are my strengths, what is my potential also. And I must mention here that this pageant gives the wings to my dreams also, and they are inspiring and uplifting us also. They are offering quality opportunities for us, and very soon they are launching their own OTT platform. And I must say that many of us will be the core part of this platform very soon and shining like a star also. And one thing I would really emphasize that this pageant is putting the idealized version of femininity in competitive on a competitive stage. I can say that where we can express our ideas, our creativity, our potential, and everything. And lastly, I would really, I heartily thank you, FSIA team, Kirti Chaudhary ma'am, Harry ma'am. They are very supportive and guiding in a better way. So thank you so much and namaste. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ashvi. Thank you so much. That was indeed beautifully put. And now, of course, audition to hone ja raha hai, but who is going to, give you insights? Who is going to be the jury for today? The jury today is Miss Kirti Chaudhary, our director, our boss lady indeed, who has been nurturing this project since months now. And she will not just be judging you, but she will be more about, giving you snippet reviews about your performance, because, taking away a review is more important than just performing lightheartedly. So all the best to each one of you, and I welcome Dipti, who has just joined in. Dipti, I would request you to start with your video, taki I can see your lovely face. So by then we will of course start interacting, and let's hear it from Rohini first. Hi Rohini. Rohini, I loved your background. You know, it's so sorted. Itna calm background hai. It's very presentable. How are you?
Thank you so much. I'm fine, I'm good. How are you?
I am good. You tell me more about yourself now.
Okay, I'm Rohini Rajan. I'm from Nashik, Sikkim, Maharashtra. And I've completed engineering from Pune. And I'm pursuing right now fashion styling diploma in Changing of Fashion legally. And I'm also a fashion blogger and fashion stylist blogger on Instagram. And right now I'm working at UPSC Civil Service Coaching Center as a content developer because I have given UPSC Civil Service exams and I have cleared three twice. I have written mains also. And becoming supermodel is my dream, so I don't think there is like age limit or time limit. Whenever you want to achieve your dream, you want to fulfill your dream, you should be go and achieve it. So here I am to achieve my dream at this point also. So this is what about me.
Okay, wonderful Rohini. You know, आपने बहुत transparently put किया कि आपने कैसे अपना journey start किया है. What all have you been through? I would, you know, just like to mention it again. Can you please highlight your hobbies once again? What do you enjoy?
My hobby is reading motivational books. Actually, I am very bookish, so but in specifically motivational books always love. It always make me happy, refreshing, and again back to my work and playing badminton, even running. So this is our hobbies.
Thank you, Rohini. Can we please have your ramp walk?
Yes. Just I'll turn my camera. So some distance is little bit less, so please pardon me for that.
No worries.
Can I start now? Can you see me? Can you see me? Can I start?
Yes, so I can see you. You can start.
Is it fine? Is it done?
You can do 2 more rounds, Rohini.
Yeah. 2 more rounds, please, if we can have.
Yeah, fine. One more?
No, it's done, Rohini. You can sit back comfortably now.
Can I sit?
Yes, please. Yes, you can sit.
Sorry for the distance. There is a less distance.
No problem, Rohini. We could see you completely. Aapka angle bilkul sahi tha. So I like your confidence, Rohini. I like the way you dressed up. Aapne bilkul code ko follow kiya hai, dress code ko, and you're wearing the perfect footwear for your ramp walk. The ramp walk was pretty average. I understand कि अभी आपने professionally पहले कभी ramp walk नहीं किया होगा. किया है कभी रोहिणी आपने?
Yeah, once I did after engineering in Miss Pune, I participated in that, but I didn't clear and I didn't take any training related to it.
Yeah, so you haven't been trained by professionals till now. So let me just tell you that here we have ramp walk experts and pageant groomers who are going to train you professionally. Yes, so we just need some capability and some passion in you. अगर आपके अंदर थोड़ा सा भी passion है कि मैं modeling करना चाहती हूँ, इस platform के through मैं खुद के talent को निकाल के लाना चाहती हूँ, then these trainers are going to help you in doing that. Right? So you are capable enough, you're confident, and I'm sure once you come on board as an official participant of Forever Miss India 2021, I'll be able to see a better version of you. Thank you, Rohini.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rohini. Hi, Shalini, how are you? Shalini, आप mute पे हो.
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine.
Okay, great. Shalini, you have a lovely smile. You have been smiling with a lot of excitement, I guess. And I would request you to start with your introduction.
Okay. Ma'am, I am from BA LLB Honors. I am from JEC University and I am doing coaching right now of RJS, and I am practicing in Rajasthan High Court with my senior advocate, Mr. Ramratan Singh Gurjar, who is a government advocate. And my hobby is gymming and dancing. And my LLB is my profession, and my modeling and my fashion shows. And I like to be in trained and like to be dressed up and all. So that's why I'm trying in modeling. And I have tried once. There is a 20 colleges when I go in that. But that was my first ramp walk, and I got selected in that, and I got a first prize in that also. That was in IT college in Jaipur only.
Okay. Shalini, kahin jana hai? Jaldi hai? Is it the excitement that you are in so hurry to tell it all?
एक स्माइल और एक थोड़ा सा जल्दी जल्दी बोलना थोड़ा सा है.
Okay. So wonderful, Shalini. You are a lawyer and you are pursuing your passion, and that shows, that you want to explore more. You want to explore yourself more in the right kind of fields.
Definitely,
So I
ma'am.
appreciate that, and I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Shalini, you're visible. You can start.
And there's a space problem.
No problem, Shalini, no problem. I could get an idea of your ramp walk. इतने से में मुझे पता चल गया, don't worry. So as I like your vibe. बहुत ही positivity है जब आप बात करते हो उसमें. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा fast जा रहे हो, but I'm I can understand that that's how you are. आप fast ही बोलते हो, right? And your smile is again really nice. Just keep smiling like that always. जब आप ramp walk करते हो तब भी आपको smile करना है. यहाँ पे जब आप आएंगे इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे एक्सपर्ट्स आपको ट्रेन करेंगे तब भी आपको स्माइल करना है. Yeah, because that totally adds up to your personality, and you are totally capable of doing great things in life. I'm sure this platform will bring out the best version in you. So all the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, ladies, thank you so much. It was wonderful talking to each one of you. And I'm sure अब तक आपने एक चीज realize कर ली होगी that you guys are so different from each other. But one thing that is common जो आप दोनों में है वो है अपनी एक unique पहचान बनाने की इच्छा, to create a unique identity for yourself. I can see a confident yes coming across from the screen. So that is where we all connect. हमारे जरिए अलग-अलग हो सकते हैं, चाहे modeling, चाहे acting, चाहे fashion, enthusiasm, whatever. But eventually we are trying to create a very strong identity for ourselves, right? So congratulations on completing the first step into the journey of Forever Star India. It was an absolute pleasure talking to each one of you. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आप लोगों से बात करके. And of course, what next? The audition report. Now, audition report is a very essential part of our process to start with, because आज आप सुबह उठे, you chose the outfit, you chose, gathered a lot of courage. बहुत हिम्मत लगती है किसी absolute stranger के साथ virtual screen पे अपने बारे में बात करने के लिए. Like पता नहीं चलता है, but it takes a lot of courage, right? You need to build a lot of confidence. So appreciating that, we will be sending across an audition report just to appreciate your effort here and to give you clarity about your selection and non-selection. Because अगर आप select होते हो तो भी आपके जानने का हक है कि आप कहाँ stand कर रहे हो, right? किसी journey को शुरू करने से पहले you need to know आपके weak points क्या हैं, आपके high points क्या हैं, ताकि आप उन पे accordingly काम कर सको. So the audition report will be sent to you no matter if you get selected or not. And of course, if you do get selected, which I'm sure you will, because you're beautiful women, and you will be receiving a lifetime membership. You will become a part of our community. Now, why am I calling this a community and not, just a beauty pageant? Beauty pageants are just a way for us to get associated with women like you, who are really, passionate to create a mark for themselves. जिन्हें अपनी एक पहचान बनानी है. Talents अलग-अलग हो सकते हैं, but we are here to offer you the platform. And about the lifetime membership, I mean that, by that I mean that once you become a member, you will receive an opportunity that generates from this platform a direct access to it. I'm sure you know आज के time पे it's very difficult for women to find safe and secure contacts. जैसे हम कुछ audition का भी देखते हैं, सबसे पहले दिमाग में आता है कहीं ये fake तो नहीं है. I have to put in my details, right? So imagine getting a chance of acting in future and you know playback singing, script writing, whatever you want to pursue from a platform जिससे आप already associated हो. I'm sure आपको दो बार सोचना भी नहीं पड़ेगा, right? Rather than going somewhere else. So that's the kind of league we are building. That's the kind of process we want to inculcate into your journeys. And of course, on the similar lines, अगर मैं आपकी unique identity की बात करूं, तो आप लोगों ने कभी अपने आप को Google किया है? अपना नाम कभी Google पे डाल के search किया है?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sure you know हम जब भी करते हैं there are thousands and thousands of names that pop up. But what if I tell you कि once your profile gets created on our website, जैसे ही आप अपना नाम Google करेंगे, you know शालिनी Miss India, रोहिणी Miss India, आपकी प्रोफाइल एज अ मॉडल, एज अ एनएफसीआई पार्टिसिपेंट टॉप पे शो होगी गूगल पे. नाउ यहीं पे एक चीज तो टिक ऑफ हो गई, अलग पहचान तो बननी शुरू हो गई, राइट? जर्नी स्टार्ट हो गया. So this is something that we are offering and this is not just it. और ये हर पार्टिसिपेंट को मिलने वाला है, no matter you win or not. Because हमारे लिए हमारा क्राइटेरिया फिजिकल एट्रीब्यूट्स नहीं, आपका टैलेंट, आपका पैशन है. And that is what brings you here today, right? So now, who of course better than you know our director Ms. Kirti Chaudhary to talk about the platform, and she will be talking and covering the later details.
Thank you so much, Harry, and good evening once again to all of you. Congratulations on completing your auditions. Now, just wait for your audition reports. Most probably by Monday or Tuesday, you will be receiving your audition reports, irrespective of your selection or non-selection. अब उसके बाद क्या होगा वो मैं आपको थोड़ा सा डिटेल में बताती हूँ. That once you receive your audition report and you are selected for Forever Miss India 2021, then firstly you will be completing your participation process, and after completing the participation process, we will be instantly starting with your training and grooming sessions. Now, just the way you're sitting across the screen right now, in the same manner, we're going to do your training and grooming sessions till December. यानी कि September, October and November हम आपकी trainings करेंगे. Most probably once or twice a week. You know, a set of expert is going to be there, say image consultants, motivational speakers, ramp walk experts, pageant groomers, choreographers. So all of these profiles, they are going to train you in becoming a better version of yourselves, right? चाहे वो आपकी presentation skills के respect में हो, चाहे वो आपके you know makeup के respect में हो, आपकी ramp walk के respect में हो, तो overall आपको groom किया जाएगा. And firstly, we will be selecting a city winner. यानी कि सबसे पहला step होगा कि हम city winner select करेंगे, then we will be shortlisting state winners. And then of course the national winner. ये जो announcement होगा city and state winner का, this is going to happen virtually, right? लेकिन जो crowning होगी आपकी वो grand finale में होगी, which happens in the month of December from 17th to 20th at Hotel Marriott in Jaipur, Rajasthan. ठीक है? Grand finale बहुत ही grand होने वाला है because we have the best fashion designers, the best makeup artists, and of course the best candidates like you from across the country. It is going to be a 4 days magnanimous event where you're going to wear those beautiful couture gowns, you're going to walk down the ramp in those with that beautiful makeup put on, and live, you know, major media houses across the country are going to cover this event. But that event happens in December. Usse pehle there's a lot of hard work that goes into it. So hard work will be coming from your side and a lot of inputs will be coming from my team's side. So it will be a two-way communication for the both of us. When I say कि ये 2.5 months है आपके पास खुद को groom करने के लिए, so I have my team's support with you to you know help you in doing that. Secondly, once you receive your audition report, आपका selection clear हो जाता है, then there's a minimal fee of 4,000 rupees plus GST that you're supposed to pay, जिसमें कि आपका training and grooming sessions, आपका जो lifetime membership है और आगे आने वाली बहुत सारी business opportunities हैं as a member of this platform जो आप avail कर सकते हैं, right? So with respect to the process, anything that you do not understand, Rohini or Shalini, anything that you would want to know, you can ask me any questions.
No, ma'am. Yeah.
Everything is sorted? Perfect. Also, I would you know want you to follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube so that you get a better idea that how are we taking the training sessions, what kind of participants we have, और वो कब होगा, because अभी मैंने आपको सब कुछ verbally and virtually बताया है, right? It's better that you go through everything in detail, right? Until you receive your audition report. You have 2 days for that, right? So go through everything, do your thorough research, and then come afresh on this platform and we'll start with your training and grooming, right? All right. So have a good evening, both of you. Thank you so much and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you.